Hello everybody, ladies and gentlemen, it's me. I'm going to introduce to you today about how to farm the cacao or chocolate tree. So ito yung cacao na, ito yung chocolate na ginagawa. Ganyan ang tree niya. Ganyan. So this is how they maintain it. It should be the clean surroundings. Wedges should be cut it off, and then the extra branches will be cut it off. And then look at this. This is the fruit of a cacao or a chocolate. See. Ganito siya. So I'm here in the province, and I'm here in the farm of my friend, our neighbor here. And what he's doing now is he is spraying the cacao, the flower. When the flower is blooming, they need to be sprayed. Hi, good morning. Naga-spray di ay ka sa cacao, Ron. That is the owner. That is the owner of the farm, si Aaron, Mr. Aaron Del Prado. He is the owner of the cacao tree of 2 hectares here in Baguio District, Tawan-Tawan. Hi Aaron, welcome to my vlog. Naga-spray siya sa cacao, so naana siya mag-spray. Sige daw nak, spray daw siya nak. So that is how he sprayed the cacao. It needs to be sprayed para walang insekto na pumapasok. So the fruit is healthy when it's going to ripe, you know. And sometimes if they don't spray it, they need to be wrap it in a plastic bags. So it's better also to spray and then wrap it in a plastic bag like this. So I can smell the spray, so I have to stay away with the spray. So that is how they wrap the cacao. See, they have to wrap with the plastic. And when it is become like this, when it's become like this size of this, the cacao, it needs to be wrapped in a plastic. So that is how they farm the cacao. And you know how much the cacao seeds now is very expensive. And that's why our chocolate is very expensive. See the flower of the cacao. See the flower. This is the flower of the cacao. This one. See the flower. See, that's the flower of a cacao, and it will develop into a fruit. And there is another color of the cacao, color green. See, when it's ripe, it will turn into yellow. And this one, you can see, this is about to ripe. This is ripe. It's when it turns to yellowish, it's ready to harvest. This is how they farm the cacao here. And see the fruits. It's a lot of fruit here. See. Nice. So here we go. So I'm exploring here in this farm. This is about 2 hectare farm of cacao, durian mixed with durian, cacao, durian, and banana. So this is a durian tree. This one, that is a durian tree. So there is no fruit right now. And this is the banana tree. So they are wrapping the banana also. I wish I could have like this kind of farm. I'm wishing one day, who knows. And this is the durian tree. All right guys, I hope you enjoy my tour to you this morning. Please subscribe, like and subscribe my channel. This one. This is the tree, durian tree. Okay, guys. Alright, and this is another color of a cacao. See, it's darker. Dark color. So there are a lot of varieties actually of a cacao. And the other one, see this one is about to ripe, become more yellowish, meaning ready to harvest. Harvest. And this is how they see this. Yes, they wrap it. So to ensure that the cacao will not be affected by the insects, they should wrap it and then spray it. Because if you will not spray it, that is how they take care of the cacao. So you can have a lot of harvest. You have abundant harvest. So you have to take care of it. And then put fertilizer. So this one, every 2 weeks they harvested their cacao. See? Every 2 weeks they are harvested their fruit. Alright guys, please subscribe and like my channel and share it to somebody else so that they know how the cacao here in the Philippines. This is how the production, the farming of the cacao. So one day, just follow my channel and I will show you how they harvest it and how they gather the seeds of the cacao and how they dry it. I will show it to you. So follow my channel. Thank you.